How to get phone records from ATT. To get your phone records from ATT, you have several options depending on whether you need recent records or older records. Here's a step by step guide to access them. Access records online for recent records. First of all, log into your ATT account using your username and password. Go to Billing and Uses section. Select See All Uses under the phone number you want to check. You will see call history for up to 16 months online, including the date, time, and duration of calls. Export or download this data if needed. Then second method is requesting records via customer service for older records. If you need records that are older than what's available online, contact ATT customer service. Call 1-8003-310500. Request a detailed copy of your phone records for the dates you need. You may need to verify your account and identity. ATT may charge a fee for records older than those available online. By following these steps, you can easily get phone records from ATT.